The Post Office and Package Inspection. The Post Office has a right to inspect packages to ensure they comply with postal regulations and laws. However, this does not necessarily mean they know what is inside your package. When you send a package, you are required to provide some information about its contents on the customs form or shipping label. Understanding customs forms and shipping labels. Customs forms and shipping labels typically ask for a description of the package contents. This information is used to determine the package's value, weight, and potential restrictions. You are expected to provide an accurate and truthful description of the contents to avoid any issues or delays. How packages are inspected. The Post Office uses various methods to inspect packages, including X-ray machines, sniffer dogs, and physical searches. These methods help detect prohibited or restricted items, such as drugs, firearms, or hazardous materials. If a package is selected for inspection, it will be opened and examined by a postal employee. What the Post Office looks for during inspection. During an inspection, the Post Office looks for items that are prohibited or restricted by law. This includes drugs, firearms, and hazardous materials. They also check for items that are not properly declared or are undervalued. If a package contains prohibited or restricted items, it may be seized or returned to the sender. Best practices for shipping packages. To avoid any issues when shipping packages, make sure to follow these best practices. Accurately describe the package contents on the customs form or shipping label. Ensure the package is properly sealed and addressed. Use a trackable shipping method and consider purchasing shipping insurance. Comply with all postal regulations and laws, and be aware of any restrictions or prohibitions on certain items. In conclusion, while the Post Office has the right to inspect packages, they do not necessarily know what is inside your package. By providing accurate information about the package contents and following best practices, you can ensure a smooth and successful shipping experience. Remember to comply with all postal regulations and laws to avoid any issues or delays.